Welcome back to Can CAD Channel. In today's tutorial, we are going to discover two different ways to use offset and fillet commands in AutoCAD. We'll be working with two rectangles, one with connected line, another with individual lines. I'll show you how to use offset command works on both and why we need the fillet command when dealing with individual lines. Let's jump right into it. First, we have a rectangle with all four sides connected. Let's apply the offset command on this rectangle. Here is how. Go to Home tab on the ribbon and locate Modify panel. Click on Offset tool. In the command line, type offset distance 500. Press Enter. Now click on the rectangle. Move cursor outward and click Apply Offset. As you can see, the offset was applied to the entire rectangle in one go. Using the offset tools from ribbon, it's just easy as typing the command, and it's handy for users who prefer visual navigation. Now let's move to the rectangle made of individual lines. We'll use different offset distances for each side. Here's the process. Go to Home tab, click on the Offset tools in the Modify panel. For the first line, we'll set an offset distance of 600 centimeters. Type 600, press Enter. Click on the longest line, move cursor outward, and click Apply of the offset. Next, go to Offset tools again in the ribbon. Set offset distance for the short side 450. Press Enter. Click on the shortest line, move cursor outward, and click. Repeat this process for the remaining sides. Apply 600 to the other long side. Apply 450 to the other short side. With individual lines, we had to apply the offset separately for each side, using different distances for the long and short sides. The ribbon makes it easy to quickly access the offset tool without having remember commands. Now that we have offset each side, the corners remain disconnected. We'll clean this up using a fillet command from the ribbon. Go to Home tab, click on the fillet tools in the Modify panel. Type R in its command line to set the radius, and a 0 for sharp corners, and press Enter. Click on one of the offset line, then click on the adjacent line to the fillet the corner. Repeat this process for the remaining corners. With the fillet command, we have joined all the corners, creating a clean, sharp rectangle. This is necessary when you're working with individual lines to ensure proper connection. Let's recap what we're covering today. For the first rectangle with connected lines, we use offset tools from the ribbon to apply a uniform offset in single step. This method is fast and efficient when you're working with polyline. For the second rectangle made of individual lines, we apply different offset distances to each side. Since the lines were not connected, we had to use the fillet command from the ribbon to join the corners and clean up the geometry. Both methods have the advantages. If your geometry is polyline, the offset tool is quick and effective. If you need more flexibility, like apply different offset to each side, working with individual line and using the fillet command, this is the way to go. That's all for today. I hope you found this guide useful. If you did, please give the video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more AutoCAD tutorials. Drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching and see you next time.